The Open Research Knowledge Graph captures the content of papers. The information is represented as a structured interlinked knowledge graph. Comparisons provide the means to investigate and analyze information across different papers using a tabular representation. We assume you have selected already contributions for a comparison. This can be done by selecting the checkbox to add the contribution to a comparison. At the bottom, we see the selected contributions for a comparison. With the growing size and complexity of such tables, the underlying information may become hard to understand due to information overflow. We introduce a self-visualization service that allows you to create chart visualization for the information of comparisons. However, to use the self-visualization service, the comparisons need to be published first. If not, the visualization button will be disabled and the tooltip will be displayed. To publish a comparison, we go to More and Publish. Here we have the opportunity to add a title and a description. Once we publish the comparison, the visualization button will be enabled and we can start with the self-visualization service. The first step provides a table where we can select columns as input for the visualization. Here we see, for example, that some cell values are entered as empty. This is due to the aspect that multidimensional cell values are currently not supported by the system. After selecting the columns of interest, we can continue to the Mapper tab using the Next button or the Tab button itself. Here we select for each column a corresponding mapper. In this example, we select the mapper number. A validation mechanism will determine if the cell value is compliant with the mapper. If so, it will be rendered in green. Additionally, we can modify the header labels to improve the visualization. A double click into a cell value enables the editing function. The modified values will be displayed in a bold font, and when hovering over a modified value, we will see the original value and an undo button to restore the original value from the comparison. Using the Next button or the Tab button, we can continue with creating a chart visualization. Our visualizations start with the method table showing its input data. Using the drop-down menu, you can select different visualization methods. Let's select Scatter Chart, for example. Different visualization methods provide customization options. Here we can select the column for the x-axis, for example, contribution. In this example, we have only one column that provides the input for the x-axis. Additionally, we can modify the axis label using the input field below. The modified label is also reflected in the chart visualization. Y-axis have a similar behavior. However, we can add additional data values using the Add Axis Value button. Additionally, we can provide intervals for a certain axis. Allowing us to display the data points with its corresponding interval values. Using the Publish button, we can add visualizations to this comparison. In this widget, you can provide a title and a description. Additionally, you can add the creator of the visualization. The created visualization will be displayed on top of the comparison table. Hovering over the preview will display additional information. For example, description or the meta information. By clicking on the preview card, the system will restore all customization states, allowing to directly create different views of the previously selected data.